the examples are C and CPP. Uh, these are due to some library functions that they use. Cool. Let's go for declarative programming paradigm. Any guesses by listening to the word declarative? Any guesses, people? No problem. The declarative programming, it's a style for building programs that expresses logic of computation without talking about its control flow. So we are not talking about the flow, we are only expressing logic for the computation of our things. Cool. Any doubt? Matlab, if you have any doubt, please raise your hand or stop me whenever you confront any doubt. So in declarative programming, we have logic, functional, and database processing approaches of programming. So I think by listening to their name, we get something logic, functional, or database. Database. If I listen this database thing, first thing that strikes in my mind is SQL, and that is the example. If you can see here, cool. So let's start with logic programming paradigms. Any idea, guesses, something, anything? No problem. In logic programming, we already have something like a prerequisite knowledge base or something. So we know what is the question, what is the problem beforehand, and we give a line of code and that knowledge to the machine for producing our result. Cool. Any example that strikes in your mind? Logic. Logic can be anything. Arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, even exponential, anything. Yeah, I need some response. It's getting a little bit dull. I don't know. I am not comfortable without any response. If I say okay, can anybody say okay? Matlab, I need some response from your end.
We are so for sorry, ma'am. We can't give your answers.
No problem. Cool. These reactions are also cool. I need some type of acknowledgement from you if you are getting my points or not. Cool. 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 It's all right. So for logic programming, we have a programming language that is Prolog. I have read a little bit about Prolog. If anybody is interested in this, you can learn it at your end and I can clear any doubts if you have. Cool. So functional program. Any idea of functional? Functional, if you listen to the word functional, what strikes your mind? Anything, or one word.
Programs built using functions.
Sorry, I did not get you.
Programs that are built using functions.
Cool. Creating functions reusability. Cool. Block of code using functions. The evaluation of mathematical functions. Scripting used to achieve specific functions like event handling. Okay. Anything else? Block of code already built for making program easier. Cool.
Maybe it's evolution of mathematical function avoids changing its state and mutable data.
Yes, most of you are correct. We know what is a function. I hope everybody knows what is a function. That is a block of code. When we execute that function, yes, yes. When we execute a function, that function definition replaces that single function call. So that increases our code reusability. So the function programming that's related to, as everybody said, that is related to mathematics, and it is used for execution of mathematical functions. You know what is a function, so we are done with functional programming as well. The examples of functional programming are JS, JavaScript, Scala. These are the two programming languages that we hear commonly. So, some are those that we do not hear very commonly, that are Haskell or Clojure. Okay, so I have written these commonly known examples here. Those are JS and Scala. Cool. So the database processing approach. Any this is database that's why we have the example as well. Any example, any idea, anything, DBMS. Cool. Using the database to store and manage information. Cool. So this database processing approach, we have now DBMS for storing, retrieving, and manipulating data. Cool. So we have this database approach that is totally based on data. Cool. So instead of writing those steps or coding, we use program statements that are defined by data, somewhat like creating a database or altering the database or creating a table, altering a table, updating any of its rows. Cool. Language and DBMS connectivity. Cool. So this comes under database programming processing approach. So example of this is SQL. Let's start what are our fundamentals of object-oriented programming. So any before going towards object-oriented programming, have you ever heard of object